could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't.
Summer is here, guys, and me and you are going to the river today. It's Saturday. It's currently 8 a.m. in the morning, and I can already tell that it's going to be a really, really hot day. It was a really hot week. If you're in Jamaica, guys, you know the heat is on. So I want to be out the door by 12, right? About 12-ish. But before I do that, I want to jump in my weekend reset. I want to get the ball rolling with prepping, doing my meal prep, because you know we gotta stay focused. We have goals, so I'm gonna do my meal prep. Yes, it's Saturday, I know, and I want to get started on my weekend laundry. Yes, and I want to also do some. I don't really have much cleaning to do because my son is off for the summer. So when you put something one place, it stays there. So let's get the day started, guys. Let's go. I'm in the kitchen, guys. I started my laundry. I believe I have a load right now that can dry, but I'm just going to show you what I'm working with for my meal prep for this week. I'm just going to be making some, well, by the way, I'm making a one pot, so you'll see how that goes later on in the video. So this is my meal prep for this week. I have some chicken here that I seasoned. Just for reference, I use chicken. Let me show you what I used to season my meat. Okay. Alright, so I use all-purpose season, I use complete season, and this is actually some rusty season. This guys, I don't know if I'm me alone have that issue. Let me show you something. Onion powder, you see how it hard? Like it hard. And my garlic powder is the same thing as well. It's also hard. I don't know what's happening. For me to use them, I have to do something and like stick it to get some, but I couldn't bother with that this morning. So I just use roasted all-purpose, and complete season with some black pepper. Right, that's it. And salt, of course. And I'm gonna curry the chicken. Yeah, and I'm pairing that with some sweet potatoes, for fiber and carb. And then I got my string beans, which I already washed and clip the ends. I have my seasonings here that I'm gonna be using. All right, and I have my pot here that I'm eating. Just gonna, guys, do you burn your curry? I do burn my curry. I know persons put the curry on their meat, but I do burn my curry. So I'm just getting the ball rolling. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, I'm cooking a one pot today. A curry chicken, one pot with sweet potato and string beans. One of the things with this one pot, what I realized is that, when you add the sweet potato to the curry and everything and the string beans, it kind of infuse with the flavor, so everything just tastes nice. Right? Where's the knife? Everything just tastes nice. So that's why I really like it. Plus, it's one pot. You don't have to wash a lot of pot. So that's also a plus. Anyways, guys, how was your week? Let me ask you something. Are you guys, I'm referring to like the millennials, born in the early 1990s, yes. Are you guys still going out? Well, tell you the truth, I don't even know when millennials start, but yeah. Are you guys going out in the week and then working in the morning? Are you guys still doing that? because I had a birthday celebration this week on Tuesday, and I was out, you know, drinking, having the best time ever, and you know, never really think about the after effect, which is the morning, you know, waking up for work. I remember doing that growing up. I remember doing that when I was younger, you know. It's been a minute since I did a midweek late night like that. It was easier back then. I don't know. Is it age? Why it's harder to do it now? Because I remember doing that comfortable when I was younger, you know. But now it's like, I mean, if I use a ketchup or what. But let me know in the comments if you guys are going out midweek. Yeah. At this point, I'm just gonna add my sweet potato and my string beans to the pot. Alright, so in the last 15 minutes or so, because these sweet potatoes, sometimes I buy sweet potatoes at market and they are very soft. Sometimes I get it. I don't know if it's the imported one I get, but I think these one are the soft ones. So I'm just gonna only let them stay in the pot for maybe about 15 minutes, because I don't want them to crush out. Alright, so I'm just pushing them down in the gravy. Yeah. And this is how my meal prep is looking. Alright, so this is, when I say meal, this is for my lunch, you know, so that only leaves me with breakfast, which is good, because sometimes I just make my breakfast in the morning and then after I come from work I figure it out. So this is my lunch. This is the one pot curry chicken, and I put the sweet potato and string beans in it. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is how it came out. Hi guys, alright, so believe it or not, today is Sunday. I had a whole life happening yesterday. So we're actually going to the river today. So this vlog may be a little bit late. Maybe you see it Monday. Hopefully I can get everything, you know, edited and up and running. So I'm here just packing my cooler, and I have my bag there which I'm going to be taking. Let me show you what I have in my cooler so far. Let me show you. So in my cooler so far, I just have a couple beers, some Smirnoff Ice, two of these Legend. I think they're actually new. Two of these Legend beer, a melon beer, and I have a Minute Maid. I'm also going to be adding water. I have this bottle actually have ice that I filled my refill water. I have another extra bottle of water. I have some fruits here that I just cut up, watermelon. And I'm also taking this banana. This is my breakfast, by the way. I just made this ackee and saltfish, and I'm having it with 2 rice cakes, which I'm probably gonna take with me and have while I'm on the way. So this will be going in the cooler. This is just my toiletries bag, which I have, you know, sunscreen, roll-on, lotion, deodorant, etc. This is gum. And this is just a bag with, you know, change of clothes, etc. And I also have my hat just in case the sun decides to really do its thing, which it has been doing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, I'm just trying to give you a quick fit check. I'm wearing this one piece here and I have this kind of cover up going over it. I can't tell you exactly where I purchased it from because it's been a minute and I really don't know. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be wearing. The thing with me also, I like to take an extra pair of swimsuit just in case, you know, because sometimes the vibe is not vibing and I just change off. So I actually have a 2-piece pack as well. But this is what I'm going to be wearing, hopefully. And on my feet, I'm going to be wearing these platform sandals with me, guys. Comfort any day over style. They're cute, you know, they are soft, they're comfortable, and yeah, I'll be also taking my flip-flop just in case, but this is what I'm going to be wearing. Alright, so yeah.
Would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Whenever a day it's true. I wanna be down. I know when it
Guys, I'm making a quick stop at the supermarket right here at the gas station. Thank you. Alright, so I get some snacks in the gas station right here.
Everybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I got plenty of. Our body's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I got plenty of. Out it.
So man, this still make it spin? This still make it spin? Guys, we're on the road to the river.
The spring water.
Spring down here, sir?
So we must figure out this one.
Oh, on pipe there. It's a pipe there.
You can connect the pipe too.
Oh, you see my hose.
One spring there, man. I must
Okay, man, full up. I really they remind me of Blue Hole. Blue Hole up here, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, me know, man.
All of them. Your weed down, you know.
Hi, as I die. Hi. We're here. We need a parking, guys. Parking lot not that full today.
People gonna park over there.
Okay.
No, we're not going to know, son. Don't go down. I'm parking this.
She's calling this up, I forget. I look at that rock go all the way down this because the road was so.
I'm parking this.
I'm costing, man. It's not.
Bob.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep your kids right on your foot there. I know you go already. I don't have a problem with the idea. See? So no. Today Sunday, place on them song, alright? So all of us pick up the same that place right now. So now the bad boy I play, right? Yeah. Oh. I'm just like, is the uncle in the house? Boogie down on you in the house.
John Sean, bitch.
Like we always do at this time, I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down.
Hey,
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 hey, hey. Welcome to the good life. Where niggas is CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I roll through good, y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood, Ferrari. And she got the goods, and she got that ass, I got to look sorry. Yo, it's got to be, cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks, Lowry's. 50 told me, go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate and watch the money pile up. It's good like I go for mine, I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I go for mine, I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down.
Hey, welcome to the good life, where we like the girls who ain't on TV, cause they got more ass than the models. The good life, so keep it coming with the bottles, so she feel booze like she bombed at Apollo. The good life.
John Sean, bitch.
Like we always do at this time, I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine, I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down.
Hey,
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 hey, hey. Welcome to the good life, where niggas is CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
now throw your hands up in the sky.
So guys, we're at Island Village and we're here to try chili pop. Yeah. It's pretty. So the prices? Yeah. Oh, it's reasonable. But isn't this the popsicle? Okay. Guys, this is the price. wondering which one of these to get. I'm thinking about the water, lemon, and lemongrass. You like that? Which one is that? Coconut. Is it the alcohol one? You like it? Let's look at the fishes in the water. You see them? Look at that fish. Wow, it's so big. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. It is 5:55 a.m. and I'm headed to gym. Guys, I have a story for you. Last week I was leaving the gym. Where I go to the gym, actually, it's I would want to say a business center. It's quirky and it's chaotic, and I realized that most of the mornings there's a girl who normally waits for me because she wants the parking, so she will park on the opposite side to me on the yellow line in her car, of course, because you know you can't park on yellow line. So she will be in her vehicle waiting on me, and each morning I will pull out and she would come in. So because I pick up the pattern, what I will do sometimes, if I don't see her, I'll just give her a few minutes once I have the time, because I know that she really needs the parking. So I've been doing that for quite a while now, holding the parking for her, etc. And eventually you know, we start interacting. She started telling me thank you, etc., etc. But anyways, I think think it was Thursday, as I was about to pull out, she go along the windows and tell me, don't go. And then she brought out this big flat of egg for me, and she gave it to me and told me thank you. That kind of caught me off guard. But the reason why I said that, guys, you know, it really takes nothing from us, you know, to be kind, especially as women. You know, I did a vlog back then saying that, you know, women, we should be kinder, we should support women, you know, and I'm always looking out for women when I'm out there on the road. I just wanted to share that with you guys. But anyways, this is the morning after my trip to Ocho Rios with my sisters. By the way, that was those as you guys should know my sisters by now. The other two ladies was my sister's friend, right? And they're actually sisters as well. So it was actually one group of sisters that go out. My sisters actually have an itinerary for this summer. I don't know how much of it, you know, I can keep up with, but they actually have a whole itinerary of what they want to do this summer. And you know, for me this summer, I'm trying to be very intentional with my time, especially since I have a little bit more time to play around with, you know. And I'm definitely looking forward to, you know, keeping up my dream routine, etc., but definitely trying new things, getting different experiences, etc. And you know, that's just all about my becoming her, you know, becoming her this summer. The better version of myself that I have been working on. So, you know, it's just all coming together, and I'm just loving the process, and I'm glad I'm taking you guys along with me so you can, you know, see how things are unfolding. But I would love to know what you guys are planning on doing this summer. What are your summer plans? You know, or you can let me know any spots that you could recommend. You know, it doesn't have to be beaches or rivers. It could be a restaurant, you know, something somewhere that offers a service that, you know, you think I may like. And also let me know, what are your summer plans? What are you guys doing? If it is you're doing something, are you traveling, etc. And also, guys, remember that this is a Becoming Her series, right? This is episode 10, and we are 10 episodes in. Wow. So remember that I would love for you to keep up with this series, so you can always go back from episode 1 and watch all the way up. And guys, I know I promised you live workouts last week. I didn't go live last week, you know. My week was kind of crazy last week, but once I go live, I always post those lives on my channel. So if it is that you in fact miss those lives, they are in fact posted on my channel, so you can actually go back and watch those lives. And I'm gonna try and go live this week. In addition, I know I've been doing leg workout. I think I did do a back workout. I'm gonna try and be a little more versatile and include some other body parts and post them on my channel if it is that you miss those lives. Okay, but anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a really good week, and thank you so much for tuning in with me. Remember, subscribe, that way you can, you know, stay on top of my posts. Remember, YouTube does not always notify you, so go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted with my posts, alerted with my lives, guys. So thank you once more, and have yourself a really great week. As I mentioned, I'm on my way to gym. All right, bye.